Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the prerequisites ready: a backed-up file, the expected schema, and a validator. Start by running the validator so you see the exact error message. Once you know the error line and token, isolate that section of the file and create a small test snippet. Make sure to compare types and required fields against the schema. This first loop gives you a clear target. Do not try broad edits until you reproduce the error in the minimal snippet. Now focus on the complex corrections, structural markers, and encoding. Carefully edit the isolated snippet to restore brackets, commas, or closing tags. Use a diff tool to spot accidental deletions. Once structural errors are gone, normalize encoding to UTF-8 and strip byte order marks or control characters that break parsers. Then check field types and lengths against the schema, converting strings to numbers or trimming excess characters. Repeat validation after each change so you catch regressions quickly. Finish by reinserting the corrected snippet into the full file and run the complete validator. If it passes, run a linter or add this check to CI so future files fail fast. Make sure to preserve backups and document the exact fix in a short comment or change log. If validation still fails, use a binary search approach. Validate halves to pinpoint the bad segment, then repeat until you find the offending token. That target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.